G here from OG Creations. Happy Pride to all of my LGBTQ+ brothers, sisters, and family members. I hope you're having a safe, full month of celebrations. In the hundreds of tutorials I have on this channel, there are many that are geode, bullseye, or a combination of both. I am not going to make you watch another tie-up.
Wouldn't I?
I will link a previous video in the description box below, and after you watch this one, you can head over to that one and watch how it was done. We are diving right into this video, where we're going to make a t-shirt that screams pride. This is a 100% Gildan t-shirt that I purchased through Amazon, and before I started tying it, it was soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, I spun it until it was practically dry. Once it's all tied up, it goes on my dye rack. I want to apply my 7 colors so they don't run into a big, dark, brown, shitty mess, and they all stay as vibrant and clear as possible. Clear yellow, orange crush, Chinese red, ultraviolet, indigo, Houdini blue, new emerald green, Once I'm happy with the application, I set it aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It's rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. Under cold water, I start to remove all of the rubber bands, and then slowly increase the temperature to hot again to make sure that the soda ash has been removed from the white section and any lingering dye does not stick to that during the washing cycle. Once that water is practically clear, I put it in my laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this or similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. And if you're looking for other Pride tutorials, make sure to head over to my short videos. I posted a number of videos there that has all the wonderful colors of the rainbow. Now I'm pretty happy with the way that this one turned out. As I said earlier, I have made hundreds of geodes and bullseyes. in the past, but I've never attempted to use 7 different colors. So I'm super excited with how unmuddled and clear that these did turn out. What do you think? And if you've watched this tutorial this far, please leave a heart or a comment or a picture or whatever the hell you want to in the comments section below. Some say that it helps with the algorithm, though I still haven't seen that. Go out, have fun, and have a very safe Pride. I'll see you next time.